Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to prevent unverified users from messaging you in X. If you want to have more control over who can send you messages and ensure a safer messaging experience, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be directed to the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon, usually positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, find and tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Privacy and Safety and select Account Information. This section allows you to adjust privacy preferences and safety settings related to your account. Step 6. Within the Account Information section, tap on Direct Messages. This is where you can manage settings related to your messaging preferences. Step 7. Select Verified Users from the Allow Message Requests from section. By doing this, you only allow messages from users who have been verified on X, ensuring that unverified users cannot send you messages. Now, you have more control over your messaging experience in X by preventing unverified users from messaging you. Thank you for watching, and may your X messaging be secure and enjoyable.